Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all of you will be fit and fine at your homes. Today we are going to learn the concept of small and big object, and you are rejoining me in mathematics class. All of you know me. I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because in today's lecture we are just going to do the activity that is based on small and big object, that how you will recognize small and big object, and at the end of this lecture you will be able to separate small and big object. So let's start our today lecture. First of all, we are going to listen a poem on big and small. Are you ready? Let's come with me. The elephant is big and the mouse is small. The tree is big and the ant is small. The boy is big and the ball is small. The flower is big and the bee is small. The earth is big and the men are small. And that's what makes us all. The elephant is big and the mouse is small. The tree is big and the ant is small. The boy is big and the ball is small. The flower is big and the bee is small. The earth is big and the men are small. And that's what makes us all. Now, after listening the poem, we are starting our today lecture. Okay, we are going to do the activities that is based on small and big object. What you will do, dear little learner, what we are going to do now in this activity, we are going to separate the big and the small object. What you will do, you will pick the big object and you will put it under the big column, and you will pick the small object and you will put it in the small column. There is already two columns, one on big and one is small. Okay, so let's start to do our this activity. Now look here, there are two balls. There are two balls. Which one is big? This one or this one? Which one is big? This one is big. And which column is based on big one? This one or this one? This one, B-I-G, is called big. What is the spelling of big? B-I-G, big. And what is the spelling of small? First of all, learn it. Okay, recognize it. This one is big and this one is small. S-M-A-L-L, or we can also call it double L. Okay, big and small. Understand? So the big object we will put it here and the small one we will put it here. Understand? So which one is the big one? This ball or this ball? This one is the big one. So pick it and put it here like this. Understand? Well done. Now the remaining one is small, so pick it and put it here under the small column. Understand? Now come to our next column. There is two animals, okay? One bird and the other one is bear. So which one is big one? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one is big, so you will pick it and you will put it here. Well done. Excellent. Now the remaining one is small and this one is the small column. So pick it up and put it here. Well done. Now come to the next column. There is a dog and a ladybug. Okay. So which one is big? The dog or this ladybug? The dog is big. In these two, this one is animal and this one is bird, insect. So which one is the big one? The dog is big one. Okay. So pick the dog and put it in the big column like this. Well done. Okay, now pick the small one and pick it and put it on the small column. Okay, now come to the next row. Understand? Come to the next row. There are two fish. The one is the small fish and the other one is the big shark. So which one is small and which one is big? This one is big. Which one is big? This one, and this one is small. So what you will do, you will put the small one in the small column and the big one in the big column. Understand? Well done. Okay, now come to the next column. There is a heart and a little bear, teddy bear. So which one is big? This one or this one? This one or this one? The heart is big. So pick the heart and put it in the big column. Okay. Now come to the next one. Pick it and put it in the small column. Okay, now come to the last one. Last column. It is a rabbit and elephant. Do you know which animal is big here? Which one is big? The rabbit or the elephant? The elephant is big animal. The elephant is a big animal. Okay. Have you ever seen the elephant? It's a big animal. Pick it up and put it in the big column. The small one in the small and the big one is in the big column. Well done. Well done. Very good. Okay. Now you have learned a little bit about the big and the small objects. So let's come with me to do more activity. Okay. Now there is another activity for you people. What you will do, tick the correct box. Okay, what you will do, there are two teddy bears, there are two butterfly, and there are two balls, and there are two dice. Okay, so in front of the teddy bear, the word big, the word big. So what you will do, you will tick the big teddy bear. This one is big or this one is big. Which one is big? This one or this one? This one is big. So take your pencil, hold your pencil and tick this one. Yes, like this. This one is big. Okay. Now there is a two butterfly. Okay. The one is big and the other is a small one. So what we will do in this case, we will take the small one. Look here, there is a small, the word small. So now we are going to take the small butterfly. Okay, this one is a small or this one is small? This one is small. So take the small one. Well done. Very good. Now again there are two balls. There are two balls. Okay, the one is small, the one is big, this one is big and this one is small. So again we are going to tick the small one. Look here, in front of the ball the word is small, so we will tick the small one. Okay, which one is small? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one is small. No, this one is not small. This one is big. So this one is small. We will take this one. Yes, we have done. We take it. Okay. Now the last one. There are two dice in this exercise. We are going to take the big one, okay, the big one, because in front of the dice there is a word big, so we will take the big one. So this one is big. No, 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 this one is not big. This one is big. Okay, so hold your pencil and tick this one. Well done. Very good. Now you recognize the big and the small object? Yes or no? No, it's okay. We will do some more activities in order to clear your concepts. Don't worry, okay? If you have not learned yet, so don't worry, come with me. We are doing more exercises, more activity on it, okay? At the end, you will be able to separate it, big and small. Now look here. This the one is big line and the other one is small, and there are the big and the small spelling already mentioned. So look at the picture and circle which picture is it, big one or small one. So this one is a big one. So do you know the spelling of the big? Big is called big, and this line is big. So we will put a circle around the big one like this. Well done. Well done. Now look at this line. It is a baby line, okay? Small line. So there is again the spelling of the big and the spelling of the small. Do you know which one is big and which one is small? This one, big, is called big, and this line is not big. This one is small. So the remaining spelling is SMALL, which is called small. Okay, small. So we are going to circle in this case the small one. Understand? Well done. Now there is two balls. Okay, both are same. Look here, both are same, but they are different in size. The one is big and the other one is small. Okay, so the big one here is again the spelling of the big and the spelling of the small. Do you know which one is big? This one is big. So we are going to circle the big one because this is a big ball. And in this case, we are going to circle the small one like this because this is a small ball. Understand? This one is a big and this one is small ball. Now look here. Again, this activity, we are continuing our this activity, okay? Now look here. Again, there are two balls. They are same, but they are different in size. The one is big and the other one is small. Again, there is a big and small already written under the ball. So we are going to look at the ball. Is it a big or is it a small? According to the size of the ball, we will circle the correct spelling. Okay, now this one is big, so we are going to circle the big one. Big is called big. Now come to the next one. This ball is small, so in this case we are going to choose the small one spelling. Okay, SMALL, small. Now again, there are two teddy bears that are same. Okay, same in color, that are same, but they are different in size. One is big and the other one is small. So look at this. This one is big or small? This one is small. So choose the small one. Okay, this one is small. Now in this case, according to this picture, this one is, compared to this picture, this one is big. So we are going to circle the big one, okay, not small one, big one. Let me correct it, okay. This one is big, okay, the big one. Understand? Now come with me to do some more exercises, okay? Big and small. What you will do in this exercise, circle the small fruit. In all these fruit, what you will do, you will find out the small one and you will circle the small one. So let's start. There are two pieces of watermelon. This one is big or this one is big. This one is big, okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to circle the small one like this one is small, okay. Now there is again two picture of avocado. Which one is small, this one or this one? In all these activity, we are going to circle just a small one, okay, just the small one. So this one is small or this one is small, circle this one, okay. Now there is again two picture, a pair. So which one is small, this one or this one? This one is big and this one is small. So according to our requirement, we are going to circle the small one. Understand? Now come to the next one. There are two bunches of grapes, okay. So we are going to select the small one. This one is big and this one is small, so we select the small one, okay. Now again there is a picture of pineapple. This one is big pineapple and this one is a small pineapple. So select the small one, okay? Select the small one because we are going to find the small fruit. Okay, now there is a picture of green apples, okay. So the one is big and the other is small. This one is small. No, this one is not small. This one is small. Circle the small one. Now come to the next picture. In this picture, we have two strawberries. Picture of strawberries. The one is big and the other is small. So we are going to select the small one. So this one is small. No, this one is not small. This one is big. This one is small. Understand? Now there is a picture of berries, blueberries. So we are going to select the small one. Can I select this one for small? No, this one is small. Select this one. Okay, understand? Now our next picture is orange. Okay, there are two oranges. Okay, the one is big and the other is small. We are going to circle the small one, which is this one. Okay, this one is small. Now there is a picture of kiwi. Okay, fruit kiwi. Do you like it? So we are going to circle the small one. So in this case, the small one is this one. So we already selected as a small kiwi. Well done. Understand now? Understand? Now, there is some other activity. In this activity, we are going to circle the big one. In the previous activity, we select all the small fruit, but now in this activity, we will select the big one. There are two stars, okay? Two star. They are same in color, in shape, but they are different in size. So we are going to select the big one. This one is big, okay? So we select it. Now there is a shape of heart, two shape. They are same in color, same in shape, but different in size. And in this activity, you are going to select the big one. So this one is big? No, you already recognize the small one. So this one is big, circle this one. Understand? Now, there is a shape of triangle. So the one is small and the other is big. The one is big and the other is small. So select the big one. This one is big. No, no, no. This one is small. This one is big. Okay. Circle it. Okay. Now there is a shape of triangle. Both have same color, purple color, but they are different in size. And we will select the big one. So big one is this one. Select this one, circle it. Okay, put a circle around the big one. Now there is a shape of hexagon. The two hexagon of same colors, and we are going to put a circle around the big one. So in this case, the big one is this one. Okay, the last one, in the last one, there is a shape of oval, and we are going to select the big oval. So this one, no, this one is the big one. Well done. Understand? Understand or no? Say something, dear little learner. Now, come with me to do some more interesting activity on the big and small. Okay? So what you will do in this activity, it's too interesting, okay? Match the bigger shape on the left side to the same shape on the right side. There is a shape and there is a same shape on the right side, the left side and the right side, but they are in a rearranged form. And in this side all the shapes are big, and in this side the same shape but they are smaller in size. So what you will do, you will find out on the from the left to the right side the same shape, and you will match it. Now look here, there is a shape of square. So find out where is the shape of square. This one is the shape of square. Now look here, this and this one is same, but this one is big and this one is small. So we are going to match the same shapes, but they are smaller, and then the left side they are big and the right side they are small. Okay, so match it. Understand? Well done. Well done. Understood now. Now look here, there is a shape of circle. Now first of all, find out on this side the circle. This one is circle. This one is circle. So this one is big one and this one is say small one. They are, this circle is yellow and this one is also yellow. They are same, but they are different inside. Match it. Well done, like this. Now it is a triangle, a red triangle. First of all, find where is the triangle. This one, this one, yes, this one. This triangle and this triangle are same. So match it. But this one is big and this one is small. Now our next object is star, purple star. Okay, so where is the star? This one or this one? This one is star. Okay, so this one is big and this one is small. Match it. The remaining is a rectangle, blue rectangle, and here is also one left, just one left. This one and this one rectangle is same, but they are different inside. Match it. Well done. Well done. Now what you will do, there is a little task for you people. Color the big shape. There are some stars, some diamonds, and some triangles. Okay, so what you will do, you will color, you will draw this shape in your notebook, in your copy, and you will color the star, the big one red and the small one yellow. Here the big one, this one, you will fill it with color red, and here this one is big, you will color it red, and here this one is big, you will color it red. Then the small one, this one is small, this one is small, and this one is small. The small one you will color yellow. Understand? Bye for now. See you soon in the next lecture.